Okay, so we have this antique box kit, bunch of junk in it, already opened up. It consists of these little wooden plates, and you basically push out pieces and you assemble them. And this is how far I've gotten. So if you follow these instructions, very complicated. And this is how far I've gotten so far. I've got my little doot, 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 doot. That's kind of working. This one's kind of working. This one's working better. It's kind of sticky. And I think this is going to work too. If I got my little drawer here that opens. Isn't that craftsmanship exquisite? All right then. There you go.